Good day, grade 8 students. It's me again, Ma'am Jen Ponteras, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, we are in second quarter, week 2, entitled Solving Problems Involving Systems of Linear Equations in Two Variables. Your task at the end of this session is to graph systems of linear equations in two variables, to solve problems involving systems of linear equations in two variables. So, kailangan po natin sa session na to is graphing paper, coloring materials, GeoGebra, if you have the application GeoGebra. Okay, so last time, we discussed about how to graph linear inequalities. We also discussed the meaning of the symbols. We have four symbols: the greater than, the less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to. Okay. So, we tackle also kung saan yung shaded region nila. Now, for today, we're talking about systems. Pag sinabi nating systems, dalawang sets na siya ng dalawang linear inequalities na siya. Okay. So, pinagsama ko na yung problem at saka yung concept para isang bigayan lang. Okay. So, here in our example, the barnyard has two fences for chickens and goats where we have 2x plus y greater than 4 and 2x plus y less than 4. How was the barnyard looks like? Ayan. Medyo pagpasensyahan na ng aking grammar kasi ginawa ko lang to. Pero ang importante yung concept is maituro ko nung maayos. Anyway, so here, ito po. So ito yung answers. Answers na siya, usually. Yan. So, sa chicken, para dun sa bakod ng chicken, we have 2x plus y greater than 4. Sa bakod ng goat, you have 2x plus y less than 4. Okay. So, annotate tayo. So, paano ba natin ito sinusolve? Paano natin ito sinusolve? So, first step is we get the intercepts. Yan. So, dun muna tayo sa chicken. Palit tayong tinta. Okay? So, we have 2x plus y greater than 4. So, treat natin as equation. So, gawin muna natin equation. Tapos, mag-i-intercept method tayo. So, if x is 0, you have 2 times 0 plus y equals 4. So, you have y equals 4. So, ang intercepts mo ay 0, 4. Y-intercept. So, ibabalik lang natin yung original na inequality. So, this will be y greater than 4. On the other hand, if y is 0, so you have 2x plus 0 equals 4. So you have 2x equals 4. We divide both sides by 2. So the value of x is 2. But then again, we are going to retrieve the original inequality. Ibabalik natin, which is x greater than 4. So y greater than 4 and x greater than 4. So ito yon. Dito yung 0, 4, tsaka 4, 0. Yan. Okay. So, pag ang tinutukoy natin is greater than 4, sa y-axis, yung mga greater than 4. Ano ba yung mga greater than 4 na number? So, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So, ganun din to. So, dito natin makikita yun. Yan, nasa taas. So, ganun din to. Greater than 4, so you have 5, 6, 7, and so forth. So, yan. So, if we get the union, kung kukunin natin yung union ng set ng y tsaka sa set ng x, ang shaded region na lalabas is this part. Yan. So, nandito yung solution set natin sa kabila. Okay. Now, let's have another example. Let's have this one. 2x plus y less than 4. So, ganun din, ititreat nyo rin po siya as equation. Tapos maglilit tayo ng 0 if x equals 0. So kung mapapansin nyo, nung ginawa natin siyang equation, kamukha lang siya nito. Right? So if x is 0, the value of y is 4, which is y less than 4 naman. If y is 0, the value of x is 2. Wait lang. Mali pala. 2 pala ito dapat. Sorry. Wait lang po. Yan. Less than 2. Greater than 2. So kung ito greater than 2, so dapat ito ay 3, 4, 5, and so on. So ito dapat ay like x is less than 2. So kung kukunin natin sa kabila, you have y less than 4, which is less than 4 is 3, 2, 1, and 0. Less than 4, mababa sa 4. X is less than 2. So, ang mga kinukuha natin ay 1, 0, negative 1, and so forth. Yan. Then after that, locate natin, i-trace natin dito. Pag less than 4 naman, pag y less than 4 nandito, pag less than 2, andito. So, kung kukunin natin yung union ng set ng x and y, ito po yung shaded region nung sa goat sa kabila. Yan. And as you can see, so ito yung kay goat, ito yung kay chicken. Yan. So, anong napansin nyo sa graph? Kahapon na-discuss natin kapag ang inequality symbol ay walang equal to, they are solid. Right? Dahil greater than upper right, at dahil ito ay less than lower left. Yan. So, continuation lang siya ng inaral natin kahapon. Okay. So, you may take the screenshot for this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, oops. Tama na. So, graph natin. Graph natin to ngayon. So, graph natin to ngayon. Yan natin. Wait lang. So we have 2x plus y greater than 4. Yan po. Yan siya. Ito yung chicken. Bakod ni chicken. 2x plus y less than 4. Ito yung bakod ng kambing. So, nakita nyo, nagpatong yung lines. Kumapal siya. Right? Actually, pwede nyo namang palitan yung kulay nito. Base dun sa, sa tutorial ko last, dun sa isa. Napapalitan yung color nito. So, ganito po yung itsura. Okay. Now, let's proceed on the second example. To graph the systems of linear inequalities, the first step is get the intercepts of each systems of linear inequalities. Pwede po natin idagdag dito na bago kunin yung intercept, treat the inequality as treat the inequalities as equations. Tapos, yan, get the intercepts of each systems of linear inequalities. Apply what you have learned in shading the graph for each inequality and look for the solution region of each system. So, ito po ay walang solution region. Okay? Ayan. Kasi wala po silang intersection. Ayan. Okay, next. Ito. Storage. Hindi ko na nabasa. Storage has a portion for water and hydrogenated acetone were labeled as 2x plus y greater than 4 and 2x minus y less than 4. Show how was the storage look like and locate the isopropyl alcohol as the combination of two different substance mentioned. Okay, so explain ko lang muna. Meron tayong storage room na meron dalawang mixture. Okay, ang mga mixture na nasa storage room ay tubig at saka hydrogenated acetone. Okay? So ito yung bakod ng tubig which is 2x plus y less than 4 at yung bakod ng hydrogenated acetone na 2x minus y less than 4. Ngayon, itong dalawang separate na mixture na to, pag pinaghalo, makakabuo ka ngayon ng isopropyl alcohol. So meron po separate storage para kay isopropyl alcohol. Ngayon, ang tinatanong niya is, nasaan? Nasaan banda si isopropyl alcohol? Okay. So kanina, we already solved 2x plus y greater than 4. Ito po yun. So ganun din naman ang makukuha natin, 0, 4, tsaka 2, 0. Okay. 0, 4 at saka 2, 0 yung nakuha natin. Okay. So, ayan. Balik natin 2, 0 din ito. 4, 0 pa rin eh. Ayan. Okay, 2, 0. Okay, salamat sa correction. Ito po ay 2, 0. Dito po sa aking module 2, 0. The intercept is 2, 0. Ayan. Okay. Okay. So, since you already get the intercepts of 2x plus y greater than 4, let us proceed to 2x minus y less than 4. So, annotate tayo. Wait lang. Palitan natin ng tinta itim. So, 2x minus y less than 4. Okay, so treat muna natin as equation. 2x minus y equals 4. Equals 4. Tapos, get the intercepts. If x is 0, so 2 times 0 minus y equals 4. Negative y equals 4. So, balik natin, retrieve negative y less than 4. Tsaka natin i-divide. So, sa nakaraang video lesson natin, kapag ka negative ang coefficient, nagpapalit ang sense ng inequality. Pinapalitan siya. So, greater than negative 4. Ano yung reason kung bakit pinapalitan? Para maging true yung statement natin. Para maging true yung sense ng statement. So, that is why greater than negative 4. Ito naman, if y is 0, so you have 2x minus 0 equals 4. So 2x equals 4. We divide both sides of the equation by 2. So the value of x is 2. So x is less than. Yan, x is less than 2. So x is less than 2. So the inequalities, wait lang po masyadong malaki. So the inequalities that we have right now are y less than negative 4 and x greater than, hindi pala less than. Ayan, pati ako nalilito. Wait lang. X is greater than negative 4 and x less than 2. Okay. So kunin natin less than negative 4. So those are negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and so forth. Greater than, less than, mali ata. Tama, greater than pala. Less than negative, less than 2, we have 1, 0, negative 1, and so forth. So ito yung 2. Yung negative 4 is nasa baba. So ito po. Yan. So ito yung 2. Ito yung first natin, yung ginawa natin kanina. Ito yung negative 4. So greater than negative 4 nandito. less than 2, nandito siya. Okay, so ito ngayon yung shaded region ng hydrogenated aceton. At ito naman ang shaded region ng tubig. Okay, so ito ay, again, this is 2, 0. Coordinates 2, 0. Yan. So the shaded region is here for alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. So ito po yun. Yan. So let us find now, Bader. Ay, let us find. Ang bango ng ulam namin. Biki, talaga dito. Oh, show naman sa camera, Bader. Bader, asan mo yan? Oh! show sa camera. Show sa camera. Pangit, talika. Chuchu. Yan. Okay. So, how do we know if the shaded region here is correct? Dapat, masatisfy niya both yung equations natin. Okay, so i-clear ko muna. Yan. So, kukuha lang tayo ng points. Let's say ito, 2, 4. Yan. Tapos, isa-substitute mo siya dun sa ating, sa ating inequalities. So, we have 2x plus y greater than 4 by ito. 2x plus y greater than 4. So, we have 2 times 2 plus 4 greater than 4. Mukha siyang 9. So, 4 plus 4 greater than 4. So, we have 8 greater than 4. So, this is true. On the other hand, we also have 2x minus y less than 4. So, we have 2 times 2 minus 4 less than 4. So, we have 4 minus 4 less than 4. Ay, 0 agad. 4 minus 4 less than 4. So, we have 0 less than 4. Ayan. So, true na yung ating statement. So, therefore, this is the solution region. Okay. So, please take the screenshot of this one. Okay. So, laging may reminders kung paano mag-graph. Paano po siya i-graph. Okay. So, we also have the coffee shop problem. 2x minus y. Papalitan lang natin ng inequality to kasi may negative siya. Yan. Yan pala. Last example na pala siya. Okay. So again, this one, annotate natin. Ang intercepts natin dito kanina ay 2, 0 and 0, 4. Yan. So broken line. Broken line siya. Tapos ito solid. Yan. So let us solve for the intercepts of 2x minus y greater than equal to 4. So treat muna natin as equation. So if x is 0, so you have 2 times 0 minus y equals 4. So negative y equals 4. So you have negative y greater than equal to 4. So we divide both sides by negative 1. So magpapalit tayo ng inequality, magiging greater than equal to negative 4. So this is 0, negative 4. Tapos ito ay 2, 0. Iniba ko lang ng inequalities. Okay. On the other hand, if y is 0, so you have 2x minus 0 equals 4. Oops, ayaw sumulat. Date lang. So 2x equals 4. So divide natin. So x is equals to 2. So x is less than or equal to 2. Yan. So how about the shaded part? What would be the shaded part? So ito. Yan. So ito yung inequalities natin. Greater than or equal to 4. Yan. So ito yung 2, 0. 0, negative 4. Okay. So dahil nagkaroon tayo ng negative kanina, ito ay naging y greater than equal to negative 4. Less than pala. Naging y less than equal to negative 4. So ito yon. Tapos x is greater than equal to 2. Yan. So dahil solid yung ating line, ito po ay close. Yan, close po siya. Okay. Ito naman broken. So syempre ito ay open. Tapos dito may parang open pa yan. Yan, magkapatong na open at saka close. So ito naman, x is greater than 2 and y is greater than 4. Yan. So ang naging shade nito ay upper right. Dito naman, naging lower right tayo. Lower right. Okay. So this is the shaded region. Kung saan nag-overlap yung dalawang color, yun ang kanyang shaded region. So kumuha tayo ng line. Ano to? 5? Is it 6? So halimbawa, kukuha ako ng 6 and 6 sa solution region. Okay? Let's say ang kukunin natin ay 6 and 6. Kuha tayo ng points 6 and 6. So check natin kung magsasatisfied siya. So you have 2x plus y greater than 4. So 2 times 6 plus 6 greater than 4. So 12 plus 6 greater than 4. So this is 18 greater than 4. For 2x minus y greater than equal to 4. So you have 2 times 6 minus 6 greater than equal to 4. So 12 minus 6 greater than equal to 4. So this is 6 greater than equal to 4. So true. So therefore, the solution region is correct. Yan. So you may use GeoGebra to verify your answers. Yan, for checking purposes only. Okay, so yan. So you may take the screenshot for this one. Okay. So if you have questions, you may post your questions in the comment section or you may send it to my email account. Okay, thank you for listening. Goodbye.